Hello guys, today we will be removing the background from our photos using our mobiles or tablets, and it's very easy to do so. So now first we'll open the Play Store, and after opening we'll type in the search box above cut paste photo editor. Oh. Now after doing that you will swipe up and then you will click on the app which has a green icon with scissors on it. Now after clicking that you will install that app, and now after installing we'll open that, and this is the one having black scissors on it. Now we will select the first option, which is cutout. Now after selecting it we will click on the right side which shows a gallery icon, and then it will display you your photos which are present in your mobile. Now you will select one of your photos, and after selecting them you will crop them so it can move upwards, downwards, and you can move it right and left as well. Now after doing that you will click on the tick button on the top right. Now it will take 5 to 6 seconds for removing the background. It's removing it automatically, and after that is done you will see that there are two options below, which is erase and restore. Now if you want to erase something more out of this picture, so you can click that button, and if you want to restore something which by mistake you have erased it, you can click on that as well. So the green portion on the photo shows that this portion is going to be removed. Now after doing that we'll click on the done button on the top right. Now after doing that, this is your cropped picture. Now if you want to save it, you will click on the top right button where it's written done. So now your picture is saved, and thanks for watching, and please click that subscribe button and like this video, and please do comment as well. Thank you.